Woo! We had a long day at school today. Yeah, and that test that we did was hard, but luckily I managed to pass the test though. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I wasn't even struggling. Yeah, but luckily you managed to pass the test. Anyways, I got to get home now. Okay, see you, BBC2. See ya. We should probably get going too. It's getting late. Yeah. See you, little Viacom. Okay, see you guys at school tomorrow. Whew. Can't wait to get home. Ow! Oh, ow! Ouch! What did I just bump on? Magnetic tiles. I haven't seen these before. A crazy 3D brain development, magic construction blocks. And it comes with 40 pieces. Well, let's try opening this up. I think I might need to put the camera down. Or I could just pause it. Okay, now that I open it, let's take the blocks out. Wow, these blocks could even stick to each other. Wow, they really are magnets. Can I build something with these? Can these stand up? What if I try doing this? What about the triangles? Oh, wow. Interesting. Hey, Viacom, come over here. Oh, hey, Viacom, what's up? I meant Little Viacom, sorry. Hey, Little Viacom, what's up? Look at these cool magnetic titles I found. And also, I want to build something with these, but all I have is these two options, but they seem too long to build by myself. Can you help me? Sure, I'd be happy to help. So, what do you want to build first? I think I'm going to build that thing right over here. Let me look closer. Oh, okay. Okay, now I know what to do. All right, let's get building. Oh. Oh, oops. Hopefully this doesn't fall. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. I think you gotta add 2 blocks over here and over here. There we go. Oh. How's the building coming along, Viacom? It's going pretty good. Although it might take although this might be a little difficult to finish. Yeah, I know. Jeez, you almost done already. Yep, this is what it looks like so far. All right, we gotta keep building though. We're almost done. Let's see, so this piece goes right here. Everyone give us a few minutes and we'll be right back. So what do you think of it? I think it looks fantastic. Dun, 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 dun. Whew, that was work. Yeah, but we finally built it though. Hey guys. Oh, hey Kano kids. Wow. Magnetic Tidal building. Who found these? Oh, I did. You guys did great on this. Hey, let's go get P-Hat BNS and maybe they can see it. Good idea. All right, let's go.